Namaste, good morning. I welcome all of you in the special session, The Great Start, Fresh Start. I welcome all of you in Ahmedabad Adalaj Heartfulness Ashram. Yesterday, I was coming from Ahmedabad to Rajkot with one of my very intelligent friend, teacher. He asked me the question that professors, how can we learn? How can we update? Was simply genuinely asking me the question, and suddenly we had a very fantastic discussion. Today I would love to share with all of you. My dear friend, in Bhagavad Gita it was said that the root cause of all ignorance, root cause of all ignorance is knowledge. If we don't have the knowledge, then lots of problems can be there in our life. So the basic question, how to overcome the ignorance, then my dear friends, naturally we have to have the habit of gaining the knowledge from all directions. Even it is spoken in our sastras that you have to have the open mindedness and open heart to learn from all directions, because the entire universe is university, and you can learn from anywhere, you can learn from everywhere, you can learn at any age, at any stage. So the first and foremost things I discussed with one of my friend, that gaining knowledge, if you really want to gain the knowledge, then the first requirement, that you have to have the open mindedness continuously, you have to have the open minded. Secondly, learning. What do you mean by learn? What do you mean by learning? Learning, it brings the permanent change in your behavior, permanent change in you. If the permanent change is not happening, then it is not learning. So my dear friends, this learning take place by asking the question. If you ask the right question, you will get the right knowledge. Without asking, you cannot gain the knowledge. And my dear friend, when you ask the question, there must be curiosity, because when you ask the question, you gain the knowledge. Suppose if I am speaking to you, I will not gain the knowledge, because whatever the knowledge I am having, that is I am sharing with all of you. But when I ask the question, the spelling ask, ask, a reveals attitude, S reveals skills, and K reveals knowledge. So attitude, skill, and knowledge can be revealed by asking the question. My dear friend, when we ask the question, our heart must be open. There should not be ego. Sometimes, the people, they ask the question, then even their intention, that is not to gain the knowledge. मान लो कि मुझे क्या करना है, मैं ऐसा भी सवाल कर सकता हूँ और मैं ये भी सवाल कर सकता हूँ, क्या ये मुझे ही करना है? So, my dear friends, the way you ask the question, your intention, your attitude, that is going to be revealed. So, asking question is the first condition to gain the knowledge. Second, you have to travel. Third, you have to attend seminars. You have to attend webinars. Fourth, you have to discuss with the strangers and unknown people. If you discuss certain issues and if you have curiosity, then you can learn so many things from the stranger people also. So my dear friend, these are the different ways, and here we should not forget to read the books. If we read the book, then varieties of knowledge, varieties of ideas, and that's why books are considered to be never failing friends. And it is a खजाना जिसे बोलते हैं, the treasures बोलते हैं. So you come across, you can gain the knowledge with the help of this way. In Great Start, Fresh Start, this is all from my side, signing out from Ahmedabad. Have a nice time. Great start, fresh start. Thank you very much.